Hey there! In this video, you'll learn to auto-generate Google Map links from the address field the moment a technician is assigned. No copy-paste, no errors. Here's what we're going to achieve. This is a service request form where customers request for different services like electrical and plumbing works. When the dispatch manager assigns a pending request to a technician, a Google Map link is created based on the address entered and auto-updated in the report. The technician can access it from their mobile app and reach the location. Let's see how it's done. To create a map link, first enable the geo-coordinates of the address field in your service request form and add a URL field by the name map link. Then configure to run a workflow on editing the service request form and updating the technician's name. Click Add New Action. The code shown here creates the map URL, updates it in the map link field, and sends an email with work details to the technician. Let's understand it line by line. You'd know the address field captures the location details in separate sections like address line 1 and 2, city, and postal code. So first we combine them all into a single line of text separated by commas and store in the full address variable. The input.each field value captures the dynamic field entries made by the user. Then, we use the zoho.map.geocode integration task to return the exact coordinates of the address entered in the address field with the help of Zoho Maps. The entire information is stored in the georesponse variable. Now, from this variable, we use getVariable to retrieve the latitude and longitude details and store in the lat and lon variables respectively. Next, we use this information to create the Google Maps link. First, write the base Google Maps URL, then add the full address variable. URLs on the internet cannot have spaces. The Replace All function finds and replaces all the empty spaces between words in the full address variable with the plus symbol to ensure the URL doesn't break. Then we add the @ symbol as per the Google Map link syntax and the coordinates, so Google knows exactly where to center the map. And finally mention the zoom level as 17Z. 17 means street level, close enough to see individual buildings. Now we have the map link format ready and stored in the map URL variable that opens Google Maps, drops a pin at the exact location, and shows you the place name when you click it. In the next line, we auto-populate it on the map link field. Here comes the final part. We add a send email task, pass the technician's email to notify the technician about the new work assigned. The message includes relevant work details from the form and the map link attached to it. The moment a technician is assigned, they get an email with a clickable Google Maps link to the job location. No manual sharing needed. Let's now save and test it from the live app. Let's assign a technician for a pending request. You can see the map link is now empty. Once the technician name is updated, the map link is updated on the report, and the technician receives an email with the Google Map link attached. Click on it, and it takes you to the exact location on the map. That's it. With just a few lines of code, you have an auto-generated Google Maps link based on the address entered. Go ahead and use this link in your auto-generated emails. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Zoho Creator and press the bell icon to get notified when a new video releases.